Learning new skills can be daunting. The process of gathering resources, creating a structured learning plan, and staying consistent often feels overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify the entire process and fast-track your learning? Enter ChatGPT, a game-changer for self-education. In this video, I'll walk you through how I use AI to master any skill or subject efficiently. One of the biggest challenges of self-learning is knowing what to focus on. This is where the Pareto Principle, the 80-20 rule, comes into play. It suggests that 80% of results come from just 20% of the effort. For example, if you're learning a new programming language, instead of tackling 10 different topics, you should identify the 2 most impactful ones. Here's how AI helps. 1. Ask ChatGPT, create a focused learning plan for your topic using the Pareto Principle. 2. Get a customized roadmap highlighting the essential areas that will yield the highest returns. This targeted approach ensures you don't waste time on unnecessary details and instead focus on what truly matters. After identifying what to learn, the next step is structuring your study time effectively. Rather than manually planning everything, let AI do it for you. Tell ChatGPT, create a study schedule for your topic over X weeks, including revision and testing. Specify your availability. I can study on these days for Y hours. Get a detailed schedule tailored to your needs. This eliminates the hassle of figuring out when and how long to study, allowing you to focus on actual learning. Instead of spending hours searching for books, videos, and courses, let AI do the heavy lifting. Just prompt it with: suggest free and paid learning resources for your topic, including books, videos, podcasts, and exercises. Refine further, only list free resources, or only visual learning materials. This method not only saves time but also ensures you get high-quality, curated materials tailored to your preferred learning style. Active learning is key to mastering any skill. Projects provide hands-on experience and reinforce what you've studied. AI can generate project ideas based on your skill level. I am a beginner in topic. Suggest project ideas to strengthen my skills. Get a list of beginner-friendly projects to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. When learning something new, roadblocks are inevitable. Sometimes, questions feel too simple or obvious to ask in public. This is where AI comes in handy. Ask ChatGPT for explanations, explain concept in the simplest terms possible, as if to a 5-year-old. Use the Feynman technique, explain topic in an extremely simplified way. Create mental models and analogies, give me a real-world analogy for complex topic. Use visualization exercises, guide me through an exercise to internalize concept. For instance, I used AI to understand opportunity cost in microeconomics. It led me through a visualization exercise of choosing between 2 paths, making the concept far clearer than a textbook explanation. Learning isn't just about memorization, it's about critical thinking. The Socratic Method improves logic, reasoning, and problem-solving by continuously questioning your assumptions. Tell ChatGPT, use the Socratic Method to challenge my opinion on topic. Engage in a back-and-forth debate with AI, strengthening your reasoning skills with constructive feedback after each response. This approach refines your thinking, making you a more analytical learner. AI is revolutionizing self-education. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can identify what's most important to learn, automate your study schedule, get curated learning resources, accelerate skill building through projects, break down complex concepts effortlessly, improve critical thinking through AI-driven questioning. I'm still exploring new ways to optimize self-learning with AI, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have any other AI learning techniques? Drop them in the comments. Also, I've recently started streaming on Twitch, where I practice coding, game development, and animation in real time. Join me there to learn together. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.